Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, May 6th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You're looking at the chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and this this is today's action. This would certainly indicate a very powerful stock market. The Dow opened up just a little, then it went lower, then it really came back, and then it lasts 90 minutes, 2 hours a day. It really rallied hard, closing almost on its high there, with the Dow Jones closing up 318 points. Okay, this is, as I've been talking about the last few days, this looks like a raging bull market. Well, we had only two positions coming in, which is kind of strange for a raging bull market. But even with only two positions, we got slammed for over $10,000 in closed out losses with only two positions. So it's just like these positions that we took yesterday weren't just bad, they were absolutely terrible. Well, maybe that was bad luck. So we got into three new positions today. All of them are negative, and we're carrying negative $5,000 into tomorrow. So we only touched five things today, and they're all uh, decidedly negative. And this is on a day that the Dow is rallying 318 points and and hitting all-time record highs and breaking those highs by a substantial amount today. So I thought to myself, well, maybe I just picked a terrible portfolio for May. So I spent some time before I did this video and I looked at about 10 different portfolios that were not trading. Um, some of those portfolios were fairly recently, some were from last year, some of them were for 2 and 3 years ago. And they're all about the same. I mean, there's a few exceptions here or there, but uh, it's the same deal. People, traders aren't buying these stocks, and I'm looking at too many of these portfolios to suggest that it has anything to do with Bob Moran or my picks. That's just absurd. I'm looking at hundreds of different stocks, and well, I mean, stop and think about it. We have a portfolio of 50 stocks right now, and with the Dow making all-time record highs and going up 318 points, we only get filled in three positions. In other words, out of those 50 stocks, there's only three stocks that have enough upside oomph to trigger a breakout. And that just, I've never seen that happen before. I don't know what is going on. I'm going to be the first one to tell you, I am not certain what's going on. All I can say with some certainty that this Dow action appears to be totally unrelated to what's happening in the overall market, because I've looked at too many stocks here today before I did this video. There's no buying enthusiasm at all, and it cuts across the board. It's totally bewildering to me, and I'm not sure what's happening. All I know is we're not making money, that's for sure. We're losing money day after day after day, and I am Yeah, I just, and I don't, and I want to emphasize, I don't see changing the portfolio is doing any good. Um, Even the stocks that had done very well previously that are in the May portfolio, um, some of those stocks appear to have good uh, trading records, but they haven't got, nobody's bought them um, recently in the last 2 weeks, so they're just sitting there along with everything else. Anyway, I could go on and on about this. It's really weird. Anyway, I obviously have absolutely nothing to show you, uh, and I'm signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.